Morning guys and gals, Froggy here. This is my '02 Suburban and it's got about 120,000 miles on it, and the headliner is starting to come apart right there, right in the middle of your screen. So I've got a special glue. I got some 3M headliner focus, headliner and fabric adhesive. So I'm going to try that and see if I can stick it back up there basically. I might not be able to get it all the way under. I don't know. It's like there's no extra material at all. But I'm going to try blowing this because I've got to get this loose, dusty. It's probably the previous adhesive. I've got to get that off of there. So I've got my air right here, and I'm going to blow it and see if that cleans. Well, I blew it off. I don't want to take a chance of ripping this or messing it up, so I'm not going to brush it or use any water or anything like that. This adhesive says apply 3 coats to both sides and then let it dry for about 5 minutes till it gets tacky, and then shove it together. So that's what I'm going to do. I might mask it off a little bit. I don't want to get the extra adhesive all over the place. Well, that's the sunscreen thing. I don't care if I get a little glue on that. And I put some tape up on the top. I'm hoping that the nozzle will be a decent spray pattern. So, here we go. Let's try this. And got to do the other side too. Well, that's how it came out. I'm giving you the 5-foot view. It's going to look a little better than that because the darkness you see there, that's still wet and it's going to dry out. This headliner material is so fragile. I got some little creases in there. You can see a little crease right there. You can't really pull on it, stretch it, mold it, do anything. You just got to spray it, clean it with some air like I did, spray it, and then give it your best shot. And I think it's probably going to stay stuck up there pretty good. We'll see. I will put it down in the comments if it doesn't, but this is specifically designed for that part of your vehicle where it gets hit by the sun a lot, and it's designed for this. It's a special kind of adhesive. These days they have hundreds of different kinds of adhesives, right? You know that. So let's try the other side. Well, on this side, the pull handle has held it up a little more so than the other side, so it's not quite as big. I'm just going to blow it, shoot it, stick it up there. Well, I expressed some concern about the spray pattern, and actually it has this little nozzle on it, so you can spray out a horizontal or a vertical stream. Yeah, sorry, a little out of focus. That's what that is. And it has LMH. I'm assuming that stands for light, medium, heavy spray. Doesn't tell you anything about that on the can. That would be too smart to do. But anyway, it is very controllable. You don't have to really do too much masking if your spray technique is good. And it's time to stick the other side then. I sprayed the passenger side. Let's go stick it. Looks like that side came out a little bit better. Remember, that dark splotchy stuff is dampness or wetness, and that will dry out to a lighter color. So that's what I got for you guys and gals. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun, and go fix that headliner that's been driving you crazy and hanging down hitting you in the face when you get in and out of the car. It is fixable. All right? See ya. Froggy out. Bye.